Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, Wednesday morning, 30 minutes into the trading day. And we have a market going both ways right now. We got the S&Ps, negative 3 points, trading at 37.91. NASDAQ 100, positive by 18 points, 12,910. We got the Dow off 28 points, 30,948. And the Russell, giving back some of the gains it had yesterday, off about 11 points at 2114. Bitcoin, got to pull up Bitcoin, 35,000, we'll call it, 34,495 right now, basically flat. How about that? Off $5 for the session on Bitcoin. Crude was above $53, almost hit $54 early this morning. Quite a little sell-off from crude on the CPI data. We'll get over to that in a moment. Crude spikes to $52.60, down 36 cents right now at $52.85. You get the gold contract catching a bid, up $13 at $18.57. Notes and bonds, a little bit of a reversal of the recent trend. We got the 10-year right now up 6 ticks at 136.19. That correlates to a yield of about 1.1%, still relatively high. We were as high as about 1.18 almost percent yesterday. You put the 10-year on a daily, though. Doesn't take a genius to see the trend. Quite an acceleration we had since January 5th, currently trading 136.19. Jumping around, what else we got going on? The VIX volatility index right now, 2308. All right, jumping into some of the equities with action this morning. Intel, they are getting a new CEO, and the market is loving that information. Up 9% to 5807. Their CEO, he's only been in that role for, I think, just more than a year, December 2019. He is going to be replaced by, let's pull up the actual headline to get into it. Intel CEO Bob Swan going to be replaced by VMware CEO Pat Gelsinger. Market loving that idea. Intel, but struggling to keep up with AMD, to put it lightly. You get Intel up more than 9% so far this morning. What else you have happening? How about mortgage refinances? Demand spiking 20% as borrowers fear missing out. The 30-year rate, fixed rate mortgage, 2.88%. And as I mentioned, CPI data for the month of December. That number, 0.4% last month, but really helped a lot by gas. When you exclude volatile food and energy, CPI just up 0.1% after climbing 0.2% in November. Stay tuned, folks. We'll be right back after the break. Lots of action today at TFNN. Stay tuned.